Hello guys, Minecraft Plays here and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are gonna see how we can create, install and change skins in Craftsman as well as in MC. Well, changing skins is as easy as that guys. Now let me just explain you how to create, install and change skins. So this is a complete tutorial about this skins in Craftsman. So let's hop back into some of the apps which I suggest you to install before like creating some stuff. Let's go to Play Store and let me see if I can suggest you some best apps for Craftsman for the skins. For creating skins, you need to actually install UTK-EO for Minecraft PE. This. Install this and you can access the skin creating features which are actually loadable for Craftsman. So now you can use custom skins for Craftsman and it is as easy as that guys. So let's hop back and see how we can install some skins. Now I have another app for that, that is skins for MCPE. So this is the app guys. I am not trying to promote this, but this app is really good for Craftsman. You can actually find a lot of skins catalog in this, as you can see in the screen, for your Craftsman skins. And there are really super skins guys. Just go try it out. And then we are gonna change our skins. So for changing our skins, here we are at the Craftsman. So to change our skins, let's just pop into the skins folder. Well, of course you can choose any of these skin packs from the skin catalogs, but most of them are locked unfortunately. You'll have to buy them, I suppose. Oh boy, I can't buy these. Well, just let's stick to the custom skins. So as I said before, you must have to be installed the custom skins from the apps that I said, or at least have created your own skin from the apps which I have suggested you, and then it is most likely to be appear in your gallery. Why is this screen black? Oh, now it is restored. So it will most likely appear in your gallery as a skin format for Craftsman, and also you can use those for Minecraft. So what you should do is to click this custom skins and open gallery. So here we are at the gallery. So I have got a bunch of skins. You can use these to change the skin. For example, I'll select this Hero Brand skin. Oh yeah guys, it's as easy as that. After you have downloaded your favorite skin, just pop it in and there you go. I have got the Hero Brand skin and I can change it anytime soon. Like this guys, it's just as easy as that. So let's pop back into the old skin and then we are done. You can also of course choose the models for Alex or Steve, like those arm sizes or I don't know, but you can select it as per your choice and it's super fun to change skins and play servers. If you haven't checked out my video of how to play servers and register them in Craftsman, go check it out because it's super fun to play with servers by changing your skins. Then I hope this video has helped you learn a little bit about Craftsman and Minecraft. So give this video a like, comment me and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and exciting content like this. So it's time to depart guys. Goodbye.